Press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to receive all the latest updates. Hi guys, welcome, and this is a quick review video of an application named WhatsApp Business. So guys, I made this new playlist of app reviewing, and in this playlist I will be reviewing all the latest popular applications so that you can have a quick review how it works and what are its features, etc. So let's start. So here let me launch WhatsApp web WhatsApp Business. So first of all, let me try putting my same number which is already in WhatsApp to check whether we can make two accounts. Okay, here you can see, we can't use same number for WhatsApp web. We have to use a different number, so I'll be using a different number this time. Let me check now. Okay, its interface is pretty similar to normal WhatsApp, but let's see what's inside it. Actually, it is here your business name will be set to win it once, so you can't change your name in this application. So let me fix it. Okay, it's pretty similar to normal WhatsApp. Here we go. Start chat. Let me check. Okay, let me go to settings. Wow, here is a new setting option, business setting, profile. Here we can put business address, category, description, hours, and website. Okay, statics. Oh, that's good. We also have statics inside it. Away message, send away message, automatically reply with a message when you are away, greeting message, and quick replies. Wow, it's awesome. There is nothing much changed in profile. Accounts, rest of the settings are same actually. We only got a new setting named business settings. Let me check. Sorry for it. Let me start a chat with someone. Okay, so let's choose hi. Okay, it's same. So we have the option for label chat, new customer, new order, pending payments, order complete, paid, new label. We can also create a new label. Okay, that's good. So that's it guys, this was my quick review of this WhatsApp business application. I found this application is pretty good for all the business persons, shop owners, website owners, for sending quick replies to their customers or visitors. So you must give it a try guys, and I hope you like the video, and don't forget to press the subscribe button. Don't forget to share. Okay, thanks. See you later guys. Bye.